Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look right here and it was inspired by Valentine's Day. So I really hope you guys like it. Please remember I am a work in progress. I don't know how good this video is going to turn out. I tried my best, but I know I still have a lot of improvement, but I really hope you guys enjoy it. I did use the Nude Huda Beauty palette to create this look. Okay, so I have my eyebrows filled in and I already primed my eyelids using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is usually what I always use to prime my eyelids. Let me know if you guys know of a good primer because I've been on the hunt for one. So I am going to be doing like a pinky Valentine's Day look. And I think for the most part I'll be using the Nude Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I have some inspo pics of kind of what I want to create. Basically just like a pinky eyeshadow look. So let's see what we do. So I'm going to take the shade Secret. And I'm just going to use that as a transition color. Now I'm going to be taking the color Tickle, which is that one. It's just a little bit darker than the one I already put on. I am going to take Paint now, and then I'm going to apply that in the outer corner. Then I am going to be taking just a flat shader brush, and it is going to be a little bit wet just so the glitter can go on a little bit better. I'm going to start off with taking Infatuated, which is this one. It's so pretty. And then I'm going in with the shade Love Bite. And it's more of a purpley shade. And I'm just going to put it on the outer corner just to darken the look up a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm going to go do the rest of my face and then I'll come back to finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so I just put the rest of my face on as well as my lips and lashes. For my lips, I used Matte Creme de Nude, or de Nude, I don't know how to say it. And for lip pencil, I used MAC Strip Down. And also guys, my eyebrows need to be done so bad, so I'm sorry if you notice them a little hairy. Okay, so bottom lash line. The lashes are Cocoa lashes, but I'm not sure of the style because I have had them for a while. So I'm taking Secret again and I'm just running it down my lash line. This palette has so much fallout. The glitters, it's so pretty, but it has so much fallout. Now I'm going in with Tickle and I'm doing the exact same thing just to darken it up a little. So I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Love Bite, which is that like purpley shade that we put in the outer corner of the eyes. And I'm just going to put it like super close just so everything matches. waterline, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. This is an OG to YouTube. It's just going to brighten up your eyes a little bit. Alright, you guys, so here's the final look. I really like it. The eyes came out so pretty. I hope you guys can recreate this look at home using the Huda Beauty palettes. It's such a cute look for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching.